Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace fuel rail pressure sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to do it. If you do something the wrong way, first you can catch your car on fire, second you can burn the engine computer, so stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Very helpful information will be shared in this video today. So let me introduce you to the channel quick guys. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this right here is a 2.4 GDI engine guys. Now first you'll be dealing with fuel, okay? Second, okay, you will be right here next to the alternator. You have a battery positive wire and positive wire coming to the engine starter. You touch those with a tool to a ground anywhere on the engine, you'll see sparks flying. You can catch yourself on fire, you can damage the engine computer. So first disconnect the car battery and make sure the car is cold. Let it sit overnight because hot engine can ignite fuel. Second, avoid sparks, flames, smoking, anything like that. Number 3, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way guys, you can severely damage the engine computer, modules and the electrical system on your car. In order to get to the fuel rail pressure sensor, you need to remove the intake manifold. For any of you that don't know how to do that, we have the complete video how to remove intake manifold on Hyundai Tucson on our channel, so please check it out step by step. Once you do that, you're going to come up to here, okay, and what you have here, that's the fuel rail, fuel injectors, and on that fuel rail right here is the fuel rail pressure sensor. So you will leak fuel, be prepared, use gloves, eye protection, it's under enormous amount of pressure, and have a fire extinguisher on the side as well. Press down here and disconnect the wire. Now you need to hold with a wrench, never forget to do that with a 5/8 wrench here, or you can twist and break your fuel rail and you will need to replace it and get it loose. Use eye protection guys, because you may leak enormous amount of fuel. We pre-drained ours so we don't spray on the camera, but that's it right there. That's fuel rail pressure sensor. If you want to see how to test fuel rail pressure sensor guys, we'll have the video on our channel how to repair guys, so please check it out. It's going to teach you how to test fuel rail pressure sensor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.